Replacing the air filter on this Volkswagen Golf. This is bought at Biltema. You might see the part number. Should be pretty straightforward. Let's pop the hood. There it is. So the air filter housing is located right here. So we need to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Phillips head screws. Wrong bit. Take 2. So, and this vacuum hose, just put that to the side. Here we have the filter. Pretty nasty. Now let's do her a favor and blow some of this crap. And we take a new filter. Put it into place. Make sure it's seated properly. And replace the cover. And you don't want to kill these screws. Just make them snug. and put this vacuum hose back into place. That's it. Easy peasy. When it was really time to replace this air filter, well, now you know how easy it is to replace it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Remember, like and subscribe, guys. And you see me in the next one. See ya.